Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Ninja 400 with ABS brakes. This lightweight twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 11,900 miles. Beautiful black and light blue color. This bike has never been down, runs perfectly. Come on by, make your lightweight sport twin dreams come true. This gorgeous Ninja 400 with ABS brakes, fuel injected, twin cylinder, electric start, only $51.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.